Hi friends, this is Navin Ganla. Welcome to our channel My Maths Tech. Friends, now I am going to explain the second case of Nikilam formula which help us to find the product of three numbers which are nearest and below 1000. Product of three numbers which are nearest and below 1000. Okay, let us learn about it. The first example 1, 994 into 997 into 999. Friends, these three numbers are less than 1000 and nearest to 1000. So we can apply the formula. First we have to find what are the deviations of given three numbers. Deviations nothing but variation to the base. Here the base is 1000. So the first number 994. What is the variation to 1000? 994 is 6 less than 1000. So 6 less than 1000, but it is less than 1000, so the deviation is minus. Simple friends, if the number is above 1000, the deviation is plus. If the number is below 1000, the deviation is minus. And the second number 997. 997 is 3 less than 1000. Last number 999. This is the number 1 less than 1000. Now we can apply the formula. The first step is product of three deviations, but here three deviations are negatives. Their product will be also a negative because minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So product of three negative numbers will be a negative number. So minus product of the numbers 6 3 is a 18, 18 1 is 18. The product of three deviations is equals to minus 18. So friends, this is the negative value. Minus 18 is a negative value. We should not write in the first step directly as it is minus 18 because it is a negative value. We have to subtract it from the next digit. Actually in the first step we are considering three digits, yes. In the second step also we are writing three digits, but in the last step we are writing all the digits as many as we get, yes. So in the first step we got the answer minus 18. We can't write it as it is directly, so we have to subtract this 18 from the result. So to subtract that number we have to take borrow from the next digit. In the first step we have to write three digits. To subtract this number we have to take borrow from the fourth digit. Fourth digit means that is a thousands place. If we are taking one borrow from the thousands place, that value become 1000. If you are taking borrow 2, that value become 2000. Yes, to subtract 18 we have to take one borrow from the thousands place. That value will be 1000. So subtract minus 18 from 1000. What will be the answer? So 1000 minus 18. 1000 minus 18 is equals to 982. We can write that number here in the first step. Listen again. First we have to find product of the deviations. If that is a negative number we have to subtract. To subtract we have to take borrow from the thousands place digit because the next digit is thousands place digit. Then find the difference. 1000 minus 18 is equals to 982. You can write that value here as it is. Then the second step we have to find sum of the products AB plus BC plus AC. Yes, AB. So minus into minus it will be plus. 6 3 is 18 plus minus into minus plus 3 1 is 3. And next one AC, minus into minus plus 6 1s are 6. So their sum is equals to 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3 is equals to 21 plus 6 is equals to 27. Here we have to subtract that borrowed one from the 27 because already we borrowed in the first step to subtract 18. Yes, now we have to reduce that one from 27. Yes, 27 minus 1 is equals to 26. In the next digit we can write 0. And the last step we have to subtract all the deviations from 1000. Yes, 1000 minus all the deviations because all are the negative deviations. We have to subtract them from 1000. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So 1000 minus 10 is equals to 990. So therefore the answer is 990026,982. So this is the answer. Okay friends, second example 990 into 992 into 989. So these three numbers are below 1000 and nearest to 1000. So the deviations are 990 is 10 less than 1000. So the deviation is minus 10. Second number 992, this is 8 less than 1000. And the third number 989, this is the number 11 less than 1000. Then the first step is product of three deviations. Minus into minus into minus is minus. 10 8s are 80, 80 11s are 880. So that is a negative value. We have to subtract it from the result. To subtract that number, we have to take one borrow from the thousands place digit. Already I explained the next digit. In the first step, we are considering only 3 digits. To subtract this value, we have to take borrow from the fourth digit. Yes, that fourth digit, if we are taking one borrow from the fourth digit, that value become 1000. Then subtract 1000 minus 880 is 120. Yes. Then the second step is sum of the products AB plus BC plus AC. AB minus into minus plus 10 8s are 80. BC minus into minus plus 8 11s are 88. AC minus into minus plus 10 11s are 110. Their sum is equals to 80 plus 88 168 plus 110 is equals to 278. From 278 we have to subtract that borrowed one. Then what will be the answer? 278 minus 1 is equals to 277. And the last step, we have to subtract all the deviations from 1000 because all are the negative deviations. So 1000 minus 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 11 is equals to 29. 1000 minus 29 is equals to 1000 minus 29 is equals to 971. So the answer is 971277120. The third example, 996 into 995 into 991. So first deviations, it is a 4 less than 1000. This is 5 less than 1000. This is 9 less than 1000. Then the first step is product of three deviations. Minus into minus into minus is minus. Because product of three negative numbers will be negative. 4 5s are 20, 29s are 180. This is the negative number. We have to subtract it from 1000. So for that 1000 we have to take one borrow from the fourth place. Okay, 1000 minus 180 is equals to 820. So first step completed. And the second step, sum of the products AB plus BC plus AC. Minus into minus plus AB value minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20. And the BC value 5 9s are 45 minus into minus plus. And the AC value minus into minus plus 4 9s are 36 is equals to 20 plus 45 is equals to 20 plus 45 is equals to 65 plus 36 is equals to 101. So from 101 we should subtract that borrowed one. So minus 1 is equals to 100. And the last step we have to subtract all the deviations from 1000. 1000 minus sum of the deviations 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, that is equals to 982. 982. So the answer is 982100820. Friends, it is very simple and easy technique. Let us take one more example. Fourth one, 998 into 985 into 993. So first we have to find the deviations of given three numbers. The first number 2 less than 1000, second number 15 less than 1000, and third number 993 is 7 less than 1000. Let us apply the technique. First step, product of three deviations. Minus into minus into minus is minus. 2 15s are 30, 37s are 210. So this is the negative number. We have to subtract it from the next value. For that we have to take one borrow from the next digit. That value become 1000. 1000 minus 210 is equals to 790. And the second step, sum of the products AB plus BC plus AC. 2 15s are 30, minus into minus plus, 15 7s are 105 plus, minus into minus plus, 2 7s are 14. That value is equals to 30 plus 105, 135 plus 14 is equals to 149. From 149 we have to subtract that borrowed one minus 1. 149 minus 1 is equals to 148. And the last step we have to subtract all the deviations from 1000. 1000 minus 215, 17, 17 plus 7 is equals to 24. That is equals to 1000 minus 24 is equals to 976. Therefore, the answer is 976148790. Okay, let us take one more example. This is the last example, fifth one. 992 into 975 into 996. Okay, let us find the deviations of given three numbers. 992 is 8 less than 1000. 975 is 25 less than 1000. 996 is 4 less than 1000. Then first step we have to find the product of three deviations. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. 825 is a 200, 204 is a 800. So this is the negative number, we have to subtract it from the result. To subtract 800 we have to take one borrow from the next digit, that will be 1000. 1000 minus 800 is equals to 200. Second step we have to find the sum of three products. Minus into minus plus, 825 is a 200 plus, minus into minus plus, 25 4 is a 100. And the last step AC, 8 4 is a 32, minus into minus plus 32. 200, 300, 332. From 332 we have to subtract this borrowed one. Minus 1 is equals to 331. And the last step we have to subtract all the deviations from 1000. So 1000 minus sum of the deviations, 8 plus 25 is equals to 33 plus 4 is equals to 37. That is equals to 1000 minus 37 is equals to 963. Therefore, the answer is 963331200. Okay friends, this is the second case of Nikilam formula which helps us to find the product of three numbers which are nearest and below 1000. And the remaining third case I will explain in the next video. That is very interesting and crazy. For more interesting videos, please keep watching my channel, My Maths Tech. Thank you.